Hey guys, welcome back to my GTA Online tutorial series. This is where I give you guys tips and tricks about GTA 5 Online. This is episode number 3 and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make up to 1 million GTA dollars per day as a complete beginner. If you guys are not subscribed yet, what the hell are you doing, mate? Subscribe. Here's the video. Hope you guys enjoy. One thing before you start, although this tutorial is meant for beginners, I would recommend watching until the end, even if you are not a beginner, and see if you already knew these tips on making fast money on GTA Online. Okay, the first thing that you're going to need to focus on as a beginner in GTA Online is becoming VIP. You can become a VIP if you have at least $50,000 in the bank. Also, keep in mind that becoming a VIP will only last for 4 real life hours before you hit with a cooldown. So that's a good thing to know. Where will you get $50,000 from as a beginner, you might be asking? Well, you can get your first $50,000 by playing some jobs like races, repo jobs, last team standing, etc. These jobs are the easiest way to your first $50,000 needed to register as a VIP. Once you get your $50,000, become a VIP through the interaction menu, and now shift your focus on these two VIP missions, Sightseer and Headhunter. They each take around 10-minute stops to finish, and they both pay $20,000 each once completed successfully. In Headhunter, you have to assassinate all targets before the time runs out. Once you eliminate all the targets, you get paid a respectable $20,000 for your hard work. Sightseer, on the other hand, you have to hack the system through your phone to reveal the location of some briefcases and collect them across the map of Los Santos. Once finished, you get paid another $20,000. To help with these missions, I would recommend going to ammunition and picking up a micro SMG and stealing a helicopter from the various helipads in Los Santos. Okay, the next 3 things you should focus on as a beginner are the GTA Online challenges. The first one being the flying school, which pays you a whopping $230,000 if you finish all of the 10 lessons with a gold medal. The next one is the stone hatchet, which is a hidden unlockable weapon added to GTA Online as a promotion for Red Dead Redemption 2. Once you get this weapon, use it on 25 NPCs and you will get paid the hefty sum of $250,000. Last but not least, the double action revolver, which is another unlockable weapon similar to the stone hatchet. Once you get the revolver, simply headshot 50 innocent NPCs, and just like that, you will have yourself an additional $250,000 in your pocket. You should have around $800,000 in the bank right about now, which is a healthy sum. Now you have the choice between grinding up to $1 million, so you could buy the cheapest executive office and become a CEO, which will remove the cooldown that you get when being a VIP, and now you are able to grind VIP missions back to back. Or the better choice in my opinion, which is to buy the cheapest high-end apartment for $200,000 and from there grind the apartment heists, which if you complete all of them should leave you with around $2 million in your bank account. But there is a downside to actually grinding the apartment heist, which is that you cannot do these heists solo, so you're gonna need to rely on your teammates. Regardless, what you should focus on next is to keep grinding either heist or VIP missions and then buying an office if you haven't done so already. Keep grinding until you have enough money to buy a vehicle warehouse. By far, it's the easiest way to make money on GTA Online now. The best way to go about this is to fill up your vehicle warehouse with around 10 standard and 10 mid-range cars and leave them there in the warehouse and do not sell them. The idea behind this method is once the garage is full of standard and mid-range cars, the game will only now give you high-end cars to source, which is what we want since high-end cars give you about $80,000 profit per car. You can source and sell about 3 cars per hour, which will equal to about $240,000 per hour and make up to $120,000 per hour if you play Sightseer and Headhunter back to back. Now with the cash flow of $360,000 per hour, if you play for 3 hours, you could make upwards of $1 million in GTA in just 3 hours, which is amazing. Anyways, I'm going to be ending this part 1 of how to make money on GTA Online right here. If you guys want to see part 2 of this tutorial, make sure this video reaches 50 likes because that is the like goal for me to publish part 2 of this tutorial. Hit that subscribe button as I'm on my way to 3,000 subscribers and all help is appreciated. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.